You walk into your kitchen, turn a handle, and water just flows. We don't even think about it, right? It's like everyday magic. But seriously, think about the sheer audacity of this for a second. Millions of people, millions of handles, all turning at the exact same time. And the flow literally never stops. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're going to expose the massive, completely hidden infrastructure that's secretly sustaining our cities.
So here's the big question. Why hasn't your tap run dry yet? I mean, look around. Modern cities are these massive, sprawling concrete jungles. We are completely disconnected from natural water sources. Yet these cities demand a relentless, nonstop intake of resources to survive. If the system fails, the whole city fails, instantly. So what's actually preventing a total collapse? Well, it's a highly calculated, absolutely massive machine operating right under our feet.
We're talking millions of gallons with zero interruptions. Think of a city as a massive living organism. Its metabolic rate literally never slows down. You've got hospitals, factories, millions of households, and they're all demanding water simultaneously. There is absolutely no pause button here. It's a high-wire act, and it's being performed every single second of the day.
Okay, let's dive right into Section 1, the infinite tap illusion.
The infinite tap is exactly that, an engineered illusion. It gives us this really profound comfort of a limitless, unbroken water supply sustaining our urban environment. But let's be real, nature doesn't just magically pump pressurized water up to the 10th floor of an apartment building. This is a continuous, forced feat of human survival. And right now, we're going to break that illusion.
Moving on to Section 2, Anatomy of the Supply.
This hidden journey basically has 3 critical stages. Step 1, identifying the source. This means tapping into distant lakes or deep underground aquifers. Step 2 is extracting the resource. We're talking massive intake valves and colossal pumps working around the clock. And Step 3, sustaining the flow. This requires pushing water through thousands of miles of subterranean pipes and somehow maintaining perfect pressure on demand.
All right, Section 3, engineering the flow. It's a constant battle. Constant urban drain versus engineered replenishment. The city is an insatiable drain. Millions of people flushing, washing, drinking. And every single drop lost has to be replaced immediately. To do this, giant reservoirs act as massive buffers. Automated pumps kick in the exact millisecond that demand spikes. Replenishment absolutely must match the drain, because if it doesn't, the whole network depressurizes, and that means total failure.
Which brings us to Section 4, Sustaining the City.
So what are the crucial pieces of this survival puzzle? First, a completely hidden infrastructure network right beneath our feet. Second, unbroken supply chains moving literally millions of tons of water daily. Third, continuous forced flow that is constantly battling gravity. It's pure engineered urban survival. Honestly, logically speaking, cities shouldn't even exist at this scale. But through these incredible high-tension systems, they don't just exist, they thrive.
But this leaves us with a terrifying question. What happens when the illusion breaks? We've built an entire world dependent on the infinite tap, completely masking the incredible fragility of the whole system. Pipes age, power grids fail, sources can and do dry up. The margin for error here is terrifyingly thin. So the real mystery isn't actually how it works, it's how easily it could all falter. I want you to think about that tomorrow morning, the very next time you turn that handle.